New from our friends at Practical Publishing is Papercraft Essentials magazine. This is issue 173. Yes, it's been around for a while. And this comes not only with the magazine, exactly what you would expect, but look what else you get. There are 28 stamps. This is all about garden delights. And you can see Dad Shed, Mom's Craft. Now, because this comes from England, it says Mum, N-U-M. But you know what? With your black pen, you can turn that U into an O and make it Mom's. It'll work perfectly. So you can see all the things. And there is an embossing folder with the gate to that extra special place. So that's going to be fun. And they give you a little tip on the package to say, just cut that out after you've embossed it and it will actually open. So yes, that's good. Now, how about some ideas to use your prizes? Well, here they are. And Garden Delights is the name of it, and you can see. And I really appreciate that there are some other kinds of cards that they show you. It's fine just to have the kind that close, but it's kind of also fun to see something extra. So there's, wow, that's a gardening one. Sweet little pieces. And there we start with the Dad Shed is how that's starting. We've got some more back. Oh, isn't that cute to do two of the embossing folders and let them come together to do your card opening like a gatefold card. That will work nicely. Now, this is some ideas that they have in the magazine, how to use ribbon. So I love that. It shows you how to do a ribbon rose. We've got some paper or some ribbon weaving. We've also got just wrapping it around, perhaps a piece of cardstock or chipboard. So that's nice to see some, again, more weaving, and then also to make a kind of a flower out of it. Now, Green Fingers, we're coming back, and there is one of the kits, by the way, that has the die to make this, but you know we have our pop-up card, die cut cards, so that will come in handy. Isn't that cute? Really, really charming. Green Fingers, it says you can do it masculine, you can do it feminine. And yes, that's the one that I was talking about that we do have also in stock. And then doing some things, oh, maybe for a masculine birthday, Father's Day, whatever you think of. This is another technique of doing hinged die cuts. Very interesting. I have not seen this. So the idea is that you do your die cut and put it on a piece of acetate that acts as a hinge, so this can then open up. So that's really nice to see. And they've got some step out instructions of how to do that. And then we also have more ideas of how to use all of these stamps, all of these embossing folders, and the instructions, of course, are included. So really, really nice. This is Papercraft Essentials, number 173, and it's in stock right this very moment from our friends at Practical Publishing. By the way, I'm delighted to tell you, this is exclusive to paperwishes.com.